Good afternoon, class. As yesterday, we have learnt about various continents like Asia, Africa, North America, and South America. So now today we are going to start with next continents, that is Antarctica. Antarctica is an extremely cold, ice covered continent surrounded by the Southern Ocean. Due to extremely low rainfall, this continent is known as the largest desert on earth. Owing to its extremely harsh climate, people cannot live here. Only small plants such as small shrubs, grasses, and mosses grow in some parts of Antarctica. The tallest and heaviest penguins, called the emperor penguins, are found here. This continent contains the Earth's south pole. So, the fifth continent is Antarctica, which is extremely cold due to its presence in southern ocean or the southern part of the earth. Here in the image we can see the map of Antarctica, which looks like completely Iceland. The second is Europe. Europe is the sixth largest continent or the second smallest continent. It has 50 countries like Britain, Spain, Germany, Switzerland, France, etc. are some of the prominent countries of this continent. Some parts of Russia, the largest country of the world, also lie in Europe. So, Europe is the sixth largest continent in terms of area, and it has almost 50 countries into it. One of the countries are Britain, Spain, Switzerland, etc. The smallest country of the world, Vatican City, also lies in Europe. It also has Greenland, the largest island in the world. Mount Elbrus of Russia is the highest mountain peak, and the Volga River of Russia is the longest river in Europe. So, in the Europe continent, the highest mountain is Mount Elbrus, and the smallest country of the world, that is Vatican City, also lies in Europe. And the Volga River is the one of the longest river of Europe. So in the map we can see the various countries in Europe, like some part of Russia, Switzerland, Britain, etc. Now next continent is Australia. Australia is the smallest continent on earth. It is the only continent that is also an island country. Australia is surrounded by water on all four sides. As we know that islands are those which are covered by all four sides with water bodies. So Australia is also covered by water from four sides. In the east, it is surrounded by the Pacific Ocean. Australia is surrounded by water on all four sides. In the east, it is surrounded by the Pacific Ocean. In the west and north lies the Indian Ocean, and in the south lies the Southern Ocean. The Great Barrier Reef and the Great Australian Desert are two important geographical features of Australia. The Great Barrier Reef is the largest coral reef on earth. Unique mammals called marsupials are found in Australia in very large numbers. So here comes the marsupial bird, which means that the animals that carries its baby in a pocket of skin on the mother's stomach are known as marsupials. The example of marsupials are kangaroos, Tasmanian devils, wallabies, koalas, and possums are some well-known marsupials of Australia. The oceans. Oceans are the largest water bodies on earth that cover most of the earth's surface. Oceans are large areas of salt water between the continents. There are 5 oceans on the earth and they are all interconnected. Plants and animals that are found in the seas and oceans are called marine life. As we know that there are 5 oceans in the earth, so let's start with the first ocean, that is Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean in the world. It touches all the continents except Europe. The Mariana Trench near the Mariana Island is the deepest trench in the world. It has a depth of 10,911 meters. The Pacific Ocean has some of the world's most important trade routes. The Pacific Basin contains some of the world's most active and dormant volcanoes in an area known as the Ring of Fire. So, the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean among all the oceans which are on the earth. It covers almost every continent except Europe. The deepest trench, that is Mariana Trench, is also situated in Pacific Ocean, and also number of volcanoes are present in it. Next is Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean in the world. It separates North and South America from the continents of Europe and Africa. A long undersea mountain range lies beneath the middle of the Atlantic Ocean, known as the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. At places, it reaches above the sea level to form islands. The Bahamas, the Canary Island in Spain, Azores in Portugal, the Cape Verde Island and Greenland, the largest island on earth, are amongst the most well-known islands in the Atlantic Ocean. So Atlantic Ocean comes second in size after Pacific Ocean. Various islands like Canary Island, Azores, the Cape Verde are found in this ocean. Next is Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean on earth. It is the only ocean to be named after a country, India. It is bounded by Asia on the north, Africa on the west, Australia in the east, and by Southern Ocean on the south. The deepest point of the Indian Ocean is the Java Trench, which is the second largest trench in the world. Several important rivers like Ganga and Brahmaputra flow into the Indian Ocean. So, Indian Ocean is situated in near Asia, means in the south of Asia, and in the Indian Ocean, in the west of the Indian Ocean, it lies Africa, and on the east it lies Australia. And the deepest trench is known as the Java Trench in the Indian Ocean. Next is Antarctica or the Southern Ocean. The Southern Ocean surrounds the continent of Antarctica. It plays an important role in climate formation on Earth. because of its location. It is formed by the merging of the Pacific and Atlantic and Indian Oceans. Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean in the world. It lies in the northern polar region. The North Pole is located here. The center of this ocean is always covered by ice. The climate here is very cold. This region experiences very harsh climate conditions, like very extreme conditions.